Hello, so this is another tripod for smartphones. It's KS, is metal, aluminum I think, and it comes with the typical leg style like the stand, so you can adjust how do you want to extend, and then you secure here. With this thing is metal, and that's it. The design of the extension, it's like this, right? You have the leg with the lever. 1, 2, 3, 4. This thing is plastic, and that's okay. And this is the head. The head sadly is plastic, the whole mechanism, so I don't see a long future here. Everything is plastic, and that to me is the biggest flaw. Included, like always, this is an accessory for the GoPros on action cameras. A cheap plastic made phone holder. This is for the GoPro accessory, and the remote, which I never use. So if you want to use photo accessories or your camera, actually you should be able to do it, because this one is the 1/4 universal. So for instance, I have this nice case from Ulanzi for your phone, so just try to put it here, and that's it. Again, the sad part is the construction of the head, which is very important. It's cheap plastic, but yeah, I wish they could give you some option. Like for instance, I have a different one. 1 second. This one came with all this thing is metal. This is not included, but this is included, and it's metal. But also, if you get tired, just unscrew, and you have your typical male 1/4, which is really nice. However, in this case, you are stuck, because if this gets damaged, which again will happen because it's plastic gears here, you cannot replace it. So that to me is a very big flaw, and they defeat the purpose of have nice metal construction. No, I cannot recommend you this one.